Hello students, this is L5 fifth lecture on relation and function. So in the previous class we discussed about what is nothing but function and how to identify the function according to the given rule, or you can say definition of the function. So today I am taking what? Algebra of the functions. Algebra of functions. The thing is, see, what is nothing but algebra of the functions? Nothing here. So as we know, usually algebra is nothing but we will take addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here also I can add, subtract, multiply, and I can take a division in the case of functions. So I will define, means in the case of functions, how to add, how to multiply, how to divide, and how to subtract. That methods we are following. Nothing here. Whenever you have two functions, you add it whenever it is required to add. If you want to subtract, you can subtract two functions, multiply and divide. I will take here. Let I can say f from x to r, and I can say f from x to r and z from x to r be two functions, and x is always subset of r. What is r here? R is a real number. So in this case, first one, addition of two functions. Addition of two functions. Addition of two functions. Addition of two functions. The thing is, addition case. Addition of two functions. When we have two functions, f and z, in that case I can add. Means this addition of two function is given by, I can say, f of z of x, such that f of x plus z of x. Nothing here. The thing is, when we have two functions, f from x to r and z from x to r, means what it is? X is a domain, r is a range. X is a domain, r is a range. These two functions are defined. Be defined means you can say be two functions. X is subset of real number. X is subset of real number means it may be any subset of the real number. It may be natural number, it may be whole number, or it may be rational number, irrational number, whatever it is. In that case, you can add like a f plus z of x can be written as f of x plus z of x. Nothing it is. As usual addition. Second one, difference of two function. Difference of two function. Difference of two function. Difference of two functions. Difference of two functions. In this case, I can say whenever two functions if you have, I can subtract f minus z of x such that, or you can say, or you can write better, equal to symbol. Equal to symbol here also. Here also I will write equal to symbol f of x minus z of x. Subtraction. Third one, product of two function. Product of two functions. Product of two functions. In the case of this, product can be written as f into z of x is equal to f of x into z of x. Then division, or you can say quotient. Division of two functions. Division of two functions. Two functions can be taken as this. I can say f by z f of x is equal to f of x divided by z of x. The thing is where denominator should not be equals to 0, because when denominator is equal to 0 the function will become not defined, means a function is not possible to define. Whenever denominator is equal to 0, function is not possible to define. For that reason division should not be, that you can say denominator should not be equals to 0. I think in the case of rational number, while defining rational number, you will say a number of the form p by q, you will say number of the form p by q where q is not equal to 0. Why you are saying a q is not equal to 0? Because of the thing, the function will become, if it is equal to 0, function will not possible to define. For that reason you can say whenever division comes, g of x is not equal to 0. These are the, you can say, algebra of the functions, means how to add, how to take a subtraction, how to multiply two functions, how to divide two functions. So this is about you can say algebra of the functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So whenever you have two functions, I can say f from x to r, that is g from x to r, means what is happening here? X is a domain, this is the range. X is a domain, this is the range. X may be any subset of the real number. In that case you can add like, you can subtract like, you can multiply, and you can divide. Using this algebra I will take examples, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide. Okay, complete this. Now I will take examples. First one, if f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to 2x plus 1, find you can say f plus z, f minus z, f into z, and f divided by z. The thing is, what is the first example here? If f of x is equal to given, g of x is equal to 1. It's a very simple thing, you know already: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So he is asking find f plus z, means they add those two. F minus z, subtract given functions, multiply given functions, and divide given functions. Solutions. What is the solution? I can write given. What is the given? First one, f of x is equal to x square, and what is g of x? G of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Now what is first one? F plus z. I said whenever f plus z is given, means you take a x is equal to f of x plus z of x. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but x square plus g of x. G of x is a 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Yes, this is what f of x, f plus z of x. This is what addition of the function. Nothing here. Don't factor, don't use formula. Only he is asking addition of those two. I added those two, x square plus 2x plus 1. This is what addition. Now subtraction I will take a f minus z of x. This f of x minus z of x. What is f of x minus z of x? I can write f of x is what? X square minus, what is z of x? Z of x is a 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1. Take a bracket. Whenever in the case of minus, you take bracket better. So x square minus 2x. You can say minus 2x. When bracket, I will apply minus inside. Means I will take minus. Minus into plus is a minus 2x. Plus into minus 1 is a minus 1. Means I can say f minus z of x is what? This is the obtained function is what? Subtraction of this will be x square minus 2x minus 1. Because this bracket, when you are opening this bracket, you will get minus inside. Means you will get minus for both the terms. Now, third one is what he is asking: product f into z of x. F of x into z of x. You know multiplication case. What is f of x? F of x is what? X square. What is z of x? Z of x in between I am taking z of x is what? 2x plus 1. Can I multiply inside? Yes. X square into 2x. 2x square into x cube plus x square into 1, x square. This is what happened. F plus z of x. This is what multiplication of the function. Okay. Now, last one. F divided by z of x. What is this? F of x divided by z of x. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but what? We have x square divided by 2x plus 1. F of x value I took, z of x value I took. So further it is not possible, so better you can keep this one. This is the what? Division of the functions. Okay, is it clear? First one, addition of the two function, subtraction of the two function, multiplication of the means that you can say product of the two functions. Sorry, here this is a multiplication. By mistake I wrote this. F into z. F into z of x is a, this we can say are both are same. F into z or f into z is both same. 2x cube plus x square, and f by z of x is a f of x divided by z of x, x square divided by. Second problem. If f of x is equal to, I can take x cube and z of x is equal to root x. Find f plus z, f minus z, f into z, f divided by z. So sometimes you will get it is 2 marks, 3 marks question. This type of problems you will get in the examination case 2 marks or 3 marks. So if it is all these addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you will get 3 marks question. These solution very simple. Given, I think following this one you can do it. What is f of x? F of x is x cube, and what is z of x? Z of x is root x. Now first one, f plus z of x, addition. F of x plus z of x. What is f of x? F of x is x cube plus z of x is a root x. Sorry, it is a root x. This is what? Addition of two functions. Next one, f minus z of x. F of x minus z of x. What is f of x? X cube minus z of x is a root x. So it is not necessary to take common. This you can keep as it is. It's a difference. Very simple. Nothing is here. These are very simple things. Next one, f into z. F of x into z of x. What is f of x? F of x is a x cube into root x. In this multiplication case, still I can multiply. X to the power 3. Can I write root x can be written as a x to the power 1 by 2, because root is nothing but 1 by 2, no? Yeah. X to the power 1 by 2. Power of base rule. Whenever bases are same, powers you can add. I think you can say a to the power m, a to the power n. Can I say a to the power m plus n? Power of indices method. A to the power m, a to the power n. Whenever bases are same, powers you can add or subtract depend upon the sign. Here both are positive, add it. If this is positive, this is negative, m minus n you will get. The thing is, whenever bases are same, powers you can add. Here base is what? X. X to the power 3, x to the power what here? X to the power 1 by 2. So I can write x to the power, it is like m, this is like n. I can write 3 plus 1 by 2. What is the LCM of that? You can multiply with this. X to the power 3 into 2. 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So what will get? X to the power 6 plus 1. 3 into 2 is a 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. This is what? Multiplication of the two functions. Now, what is division? F by z of x. F of x divided by z of x. What is f of x? F of x is a x cube divided by z of x is what? Root x. This you can keep. Still more if you want you can write. I can write it is x cube. Can I write x to the power root can be written as 1 by 2? I said like means x to the power 3, when you are taking this denominator, when you are taking denominator is in the numerator, the sign of the power will change. Means what it will become, when you are taking this term, denominator term in the numerator, this 1 by 2 will become a minus 1 by 2. Keep in mind, whenever denominator thing is, whenever it is like a to the power m divided by a to the power m, a to the power n, this can be written as a to the power m into, if you are taking in the numerator, it will become minus n, then I can write a to the power m minus n, like this x to the power plus 1 by 2 is becoming, taking in the numerator, minus 1 by 2. Now again bases are same, powers you can add. I said whenever bases are same, powers you can add or subtract on the basis of sign of the powers. I can write now x is a base same, powers I can what, 3 minus 1 by 2. What happened? X to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 means it is multiply. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1 divided by 2 is what? X to the power 5 by 2. This is what? Third one. If f of x is equal to sin x, or else I can take better sin square x, and g of x is equal to cos square x. Find f plus g, f minus g, f into z, and f divided by z. Now, solution. Given, what is given here? F of x is equal to sin square of x, and g of x is equal to cos square of x. Addition case, f plus g of x, f of x plus g of x. What is f of x? Sin square x plus cos square x. What is sin square x plus cos square x? I think in the 10th standard you have done sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So it is our identity, trigonometric identities. Sin square plus cos square x is equal to 1. This is according to 10th knowledge you have done. In first year again you have trigonometry. You will come to know in the case of trigonometry, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. This is the value of this. Okay. This is the value of this one. Next, subtraction. Nothing. Subtraction case there is no formula like I can say f minus z of x is equal to f of x minus z of x. What is f of x? Sin square x minus cos square x. So this you can keep this much, because in the case of 10th standard you have sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We don't know sin square x minus cos square x value. So that later you will come to know in the trigonometric case. Here also you will study. In that case you can convert still more, but here it is enough. F into z of x. You can write f of x into z of x. What is f of x? F of x is a sin square x into cos square x. Sin square x into cos square x you can write. Or else if you have a square into b square you can write ab whole square. No problem. Like you can write sin x into cos x. This square can be written as whole square. So that's simple. It is not necessary, but you can write it. Division. F by z of x means f of x divided by z of x is equal to, what is f of x? Sin square x divided by cos square x. Sin square by cos square is what? You know sin by cos. In the trigonometric case you are saying sin x divided by cos x is equal to tan x. Means sin square x divided by cos square x is a tan square x. Correct? This is the required answer. Now, question number 4. Here he has given let f comma z from real number to real number. Means the thing is what? F comma z from real number to real number means it is the two functions are given. Both are domain and range is what? You can say real number to real number. be defined respectively. F of x is equal to g of x is equal to both value given, and find f plus g, f minus g, and f multiplication and division. It is like previous problem what we had done. Like I will take, what is the fourth one? Fourth one given. What is the given? F of x. So that I can say f from real number to real number. That it is not necessary, but he is saying only f and g are real number to real number. That is a condition. It's a domain and range is what he is saying, real number to real number. Don't bother about this. He will give. But only the thing is you have to write these two and find out these all. What is f of x? F of x is equal to what we have? X plus 1. Yes. X plus 1. What is g of x? G of x is equal to what we have? 2x minus 3. Yes. Using this you have to find out all the algebra of the functions. First one, f plus g of x. Addition, f of x plus g of x. What is f of x? F of x is x plus 1. If you want you can take bracket also. 2x minus 3. Open the brackets. X plus 1 plus, I will open the bracket, 2x minus 3. 2x plus x, like terms, I can say 3x. Plus 1 minus 3. Is it minus 2? 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. This is what addition of the function. And subtraction of this. F minus z. F of x minus z of x. F of x is what? F of x is x plus 1. Yes. Minus. You take minus middle and take a bracket. Compulsory. 2x minus 3. Open the bracket. I can say x plus 1. Minus 2x. Minus into minus. Plus 3. So I can say x minus 2x. Plus 1 plus 3. Constant I took, variable one side. Means x minus 2x is what happening? Minus x. X minus 2x is what? 1x minus 2x. Minus 2x is a bigger compared to x. So bigger is the side. So x minus 2x is a minus x. 1 plus 3 is what? Plus 4. This is a subtraction. Division of that, you can say subtraction of the thing. Now, third one. What is f into z? F into z is what? F of x into z of x. You can take like f of x into z of x. What is f of x? F of x is x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. In the case of multiplication, main thing is what? You have to multiply first term with first term with second. This with and this will be. Okay, I will multiply now. X into 2x. X into 2x is 2x square. 2x square. X into plus into minus. Minus x into 3 minus 3x. Plus 1 into 2x plus 2x. 1 into this plus into minus minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So this I can write 2x square minus 3x plus 2x is a minus x and minus 3. This you can say x into 2x is a 2x square, x into minus 3 is a minus 3x, 1 into 2x is a plus 2x, 1 into plus is a, this plus into minus is a minus, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So I can say minus 3x plus 2x is a minus x, 2x square minus x minus 3. This is what? Multiplication. Then division is f divided by g. F of x divided by g of x. In this case you have to divide it. What is f of x? X plus 1 divided by 2x minus 3. Nothing it is. So division case is a. Now I will take fifth problem. What is the fifth one? Given a function f is defined by f of x is equal to x minus 5, and also he is asking some corresponding value. Means in the place of x he has given 0, minus 3, 7. According to that you have to find out. Okay. Now what is given? Given f of x is equal to, what is f of x here? 2x minus 5. What are the things he is asking? He is asking that f of 0 is what? And f of first one. So first one. Second, what he is asking? Second, he is asking f of 7. And third one he is asking f of minus 3, I think. Is it? Minus 3. Okay. Now I will take this one. Using this one, you replace. Put x is equal to 0. You will get this one. Means f of 0 to where x is there, I am taking what? 0 minus 5. What happened? 2 into 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 0 minus 5. Is it minus 5? What is the value of this? F of 0. F of 0 is what? Minus 5. And then for second one, this is our first one. For first one, that second case, what we need? F of 7. F of 7 means, in this case, put, or you can say it is equation 1. You say in equation 1 better. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. What is equation 1 implies? F of x is what? 7 minus is equal to 2. X is what? 7 minus 5. In the place of x, I am replacing number 7. 2 into 7, 14 minus 5. How much it is? 14 minus 5 is a 9. What it is? F of 7 value. Is it clear? Okay. Next, third one. Put x is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 implies, what is equation 1? F of x place, we are writing minus 3. Yes. And 2, x place, minus 3, minus 5. In the place of x, I am writing minus 3. So, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 5. So, minus 6 minus 5 is a minus 11. What value it is? F of minus 3. Nothing it is. This is also simple problem. Okay. Now, sixth one. What is sixth one? Let f is given function. It is in the form of order pair 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Be a linear function. He said it is what? Linear function. Which function it is? Linear function from integer to integer. This is what? Z is nothing but integer. Integer to integer. Means it is defined from z to z. Find f of x. What is given? I will write here. Sixth one. Given. What given? F is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. Now 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. Then minus 1. Minus 3. So, and he said f is defined from z to z, integer to integer. This is nothing but z to z. He is asking find f of x. Means he is asking what here? What is a f of x? What is a f of x? But he said this is, I can say this is here given. F is, he is saying f is linear function. Linear function means, can I say linear function means a polynomial of degree 1. In the case of polynomial, in the 10th standard you have done polynomials. A function having, means you can say equation having degree 1 linear. If it has 2, quadratic. If it is 3, cubic. So linear function means I can say better let f of x is which form? F of x is linear means ax plus b. Are you getting? F of x is equal to ax plus b. I am taking this because he has given f is linear function. F is linear function means I can assume f of x is equal to ax plus b. Using this I need to find out a value and b value, then I will get. So now we have what? F is equal to, we have this one. This is very, very important. Here what are the things I have? 1, 1 I have. 2, 3 I have. 0, minus 1. Means using this you can find out the value. Means can I say 1, 1 belongs to f? 1, 1 belongs to f. It implies that, can I write according to when we are saying a, b belongs to f, means we will write f of a is equal to b. I said b is image of a. Like 1, 1 means I can say f of 1 is equal to 1. This is one thing. Means what we have equation, this is, I will call it is equation 1. This I am taking. I will say, means I can convert this one. What is x is equal to 1? So it implies that f of 1 means a, where x is what? 1 plus b means b is as it is, x place I am taking 1, but a is equal to what? 1. This only I took. f of 1, a I took 1. You can take any order where I am taking this one. According to this you will get value. So a into x is 1, I replaced 1. X is a 1 because f of 1 is 1 means I can say f of 1, f of x is what? Ax plus b. Ax plus b means x place I replaced, x is 1. A into 1, b is equal to 1 means it implies that can I say a into 1 is a plus b is equal to 1. This is what? Second equation. I will say this is second. Now, using in the case of order pair, if it has 0 comma some, better you can take which has a 0, that order pair. I can say 0 comma minus 1 belongs to f. It implies that what happening? F of 0 is equal to minus 1. F of 0 is equal to minus 1 means what is our equation? I will take 1. Equation 1 implies f of 0. What is f of x? X place I took 0. A. What is x? 0 plus b. According to this, I am taking f of 0. In the place of x, I took 0. So plus b minus 1. What happened? It implies that f of 0 either this is becoming 0 into anything is 0 plus b is equal to minus 1. Means can I say b is equal to what we have? Minus 1. Put b is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Equation 2 implies what you have? A plus b is equal to 1. What is a? B is what? Minus 1 is equal to 1. Means it implies that a minus 1 is equal to plus 1. It implies that a is equal to 1 plus 1. Minus 1 taking this and plus 1. A is equal to 2. So means a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1. Now put a is equal to plus 2 and b is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 implies, what is equation 1? F of x is equal to ax plus b. What is a? F of x. A is what? 2 into x. What is b? B is minus 1. This is the required f of x. Required f of x is what? 2x minus 1. This is the last problem, sixth one. Okay? Copy this. Nothing here. You take any order pairs. I took 1 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1. So you can take any 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma minus 3. Even though taking those, you will get 2 equations. Solving 2 equations, 2 unknowns, you will get a value, b value. Then later you can substitute in this case. Whenever he is asking linear functions, you consider ax plus b yourself. Then you will get answer. Okay. One. Here seventh one is what? Seventh one is given f and he is asking z to z f of x is equal to mx plus c. It is like same previous problem, sixth one, but he is asking only m value and c value. It is like ax plus b. Here a is m, b is a c. What is given? Seventh one. Given that f is equal to what given? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 3. And what is given? F of x. F of x is given that f of x is equal to mx plus c. Using this you have to find out m value and c value. Now I will say 1 comma 1 belongs to f. It implies that I will say f of 1 is equal to 1. Means it implies that f of x is equal to mx plus c. What is I will take put x is equal to 1. Means f of 1 m into 1 plus c. What happened? So f of 1 value is what? Is equal to 1. So I can consider. So it implies that m plus c is equal to 1. Okay, it's the value. And I will say 0 comma minus 1. It is like previous number. 0 comma minus 1 belongs to f. It implies that what is this? F of x is equal to mx plus c. I will put x is equal to 0. So it implies that you can say that f of 0 is equal to minus 1. So put x is equal to 0. F of 0. m into 0 plus c. When f of 0 when f of 0 is equal to minus 1, f of 0 is equal to what? Minus 1. M into 0, 0 plus c is equal to minus 1. Means it implies that c is equal to what? Minus 1. You got c value. Put c value in the case of equation. You can say this, I can call it is equation 1 here. Better. Put c value. Put c is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 implies, this is the equation 1. M plus c. M plus c is equal to 1 you have. What is c value? M into minus 1 is equal to 1. M is equal to 1 plus 1. M is what? 2. So what is asking? M value and a c value. I have m value 2, c value minus 1. Therefore, m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. C is equal to minus 1. This is about 7th one. 8th one, let A is equal to given 1, 2, 3, 4. What is A is equal to? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is equal to? B is equal to given 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. 1, 5, 9, 11, 15. 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. And also given f is what? F is given 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 9, 2, 9, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 4, 5, then 2, 11. He is asking that using this one, are the following are true? First one, f is a relation from A to B. And second one, f is a function from A to B. You know, when it is, if you want to say any relation is said to be function, condition is what? Every element of the domain has unique image. Means, can I say that according to this? A is what? Set A is this one. I will consider set A. Set B. Set B. What is set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the set B? 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. According to this, 1, 5 means 1 is connected to 5. 2, 9. 2, 9 means 2 is connected to 9 according to this. 3, 1. 3 is connected to 1. 4 connected to 5. 4 connected to 5, no problem. 2 is connected to 11. 2 is connected to 11. So, now, on the basis of this diagram, I can decide it is relation or function. He is asking f is a relation from A to B. Is it correct? Or f is a function from A to B. Is it correct? Which one is correct? I can decide on the basis of this. Every element of the domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 has image. No problem. When it has image, that should be unique. 1 has only 1. 2 has 9 as well as 11. Means 2 has 9 as well as 11. Means I can say 2, 9 belongs to f. It implies that f of 2 is equal to 9 and 2, 11 belongs to f. Means it implies that f of 2 is equal to 11. Means can I say 2 is connected to 9 as well as 11. When 9 as well as 11, is it unique image? It doesn't have unique image. Therefore, I can say f is a, first one, f is a relation. F is a relation from A to B. But f is not function. F is not function from A to B. Because condition is this. So means I can say here not function. This is not function. I said whenever 2 has 2 images, it is not function, it is a relation. The relation means there is no condition. When if you want to say function, we need a condition. Every element of the domain has a unique image. Okay. So first T is correct, second is false. Now ninth one, let A is equal to given 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is a one set, and also function is defined from A to N. Be defined by A is what? It is a domain. N is what? Any natural number. Codomain is any natural number. He has given f of n is the highest prime factor. What is n? N belongs to this set. N is always what here? N I can take, means when the function is defined f from A to N. When function is defined from A to N, A is always 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is the number. I can't take more than that. F of n is equal to the highest prime factor of n. He is asking find the range of that. Means range is what? Image of these. Means I will get values. Means what is a solution case? Solution. What is we have? Given function f from A to n. A to n means A is the domain. It is a function. Already he said. A to n. A is the domain, n is the natural number. So now what is A? A has what are the numbers? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. According to this I need to find out value of this. Means can I say this one f of n? F of n. What is f of n? F of n is the highest prime factor of n. Highest prime factor of n means I can say that here always n is what? N is belongs to A. N belongs to set A. I can take n belongs to set A. Means what is the first number? 9. I will write 9 here. F of 9. 9 means can I say the highest prime factor of n? The highest prime factor of n. N is what? 9. So means according to this I can say that f of 9. What is the highest prime factor? What are the prime factor of 9? So you can say prime factors are 3. Only the division means you can say factors of 9 is you can say 1 or 3, but which is prime factor? 3. 3 is the highest only. No other number is not a prime factor. It's f of 9 is equal to 3. 3 is what? Highest prime factor. F of 9. Like f of 10. F of 10 means highest prime factor. Means factor of 10 is what? 2. You can say 5. And then 10 itself. Here factor of 9 is a 1 and you can say 3, 9, but 9 is not a prime factor. So that I took which is highest prime factor? 3. So means f of 10. 10 means 10 factors are what? 1 you can say, 2 you can say, 5 you can say, 10 itself. But which one is the highest prime factor? I can say better I can take 2 is a prime factor, but 5 is a prime factor. 2, 5 compared to 2, 5, 5 is the highest prime factor. So f of 10 is what? 5. Highest prime factor. Then f of 11. 11 means 1 and 11 itself factors, and 11 itself is a highest prime factor. Then 12. F of 12. 12 is nothing but the highest prime factor of 12. Means what are the factors of 12? You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. But which are the prime? You can say 2 is the even prime, 3, and then no other number. 6 is not a prime, 12 itself is not a prime. So means I can say its highest prime factor is also 3. Highest prime factor of 12. 3 I got. Then f of 13. F of 13 is equal to 13, 1 or 13 itself. So 13 is divisible by 1 and 13. So 13 is itself is a prime factor. So 13. So means 9 is connected. Means diagram is how? This is like, this is A, this is N. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 value 3. 9 is connected to 3. 10 value 5. Connected to 5. 11 is connected to 11 only. 12 is connected to, so again 12 is connected to what? 12 is connected to 3 only. And 13 is connected to 13 only. So you can say that. So diagrammatically it is a function only. What are the range? Range is image of these. These are the images of these all the numbers. So what is the range? Range of f is equal to these numbers, these connected elements. Image of the domain. Image of the domain is always range. So I can write 3, 5, 11, 13. 3, 5, 11, 13. These are what? A range of the function. So this is about algebra of the functions and some problems related to like solving addition, subtraction, multiplication and this type. And finding equation in the form of linear function ax plus b, or you can find out a value, b value. In the next class I will continue, means I will take graph of the functions. Okay, thank you.